Model, 2008 Ford Transit 85 T300l Fwd Red Camper Van Conversion Project 12 months MOT. Body, red, camper. Mileage, 184,000. MOT, the 18th of February 2026. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 85 phosphorus monosulfide DURATORQ-E. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. This van has been part converted into a camper in the rear. With loads of potential and the sky being the limit, this could make a great family getaway. Some of the key features have already been installed and just require some TLC to get it over the finish line. Features: 3 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on